Okay, gents, welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, um, thanks for your thank you for coming back to the channel. I'm not used to this YouTube space, so I don't know what to say when I'm starting the video, but I'm gonna show you. To this video, I'm gonna show you how I actually killed Euro USD and USD card, right? Using pure price action, basically using trend lines, support and resistance, right, and patterns. So let me just remove this thing. I'm gonna show you a clip how the trade went. So let me just remove drawings. So the first things first, you wanna go to your weekly time frame, and go to your 1 week. I'm in a rush because the camera am low, so I have to be fasting here, right? So as soon as I got to my weekly time frame, the first thing I did was to highlight my lowest low for the day, right, and my highest high, which was this one, right, and then highlight basically where the market touched and then reversed. But I don't like putting lot of lines, so we're fine like this. Okay, let me just put the last one. So yeah, I went to my daily time frame after that. As soon as I got to my daily time frame, I saw Oguti we have a pattern yana. We have this thing from here to here, right? And then I cloned Clonarara. See, this is a falling wedge pattern. I don't know, I'm gonna make a clip explaining what is a falling wedge pattern. This is a rising wedge pattern, so I'm gonna make a clip explaining what is a rising wedge pattern right about now. Explain what is rising wedge and how to trade a rising wedge. So a rising wedge, let's say the market was on like a downtrend, right? Market was on a downtrend. It was like vying down, and then the market started giving you like a correction. As you come, the market will always give you like an impulse move, like an impulse, and then a young correction, something like. Let me show you. It's gonna give you like a impulse, and then it's gonna correct up to the upper side, which is this we call this retracement, a correction, and then it's gonna give you another impulse, and then correct again, and then impulse. So basically every time you see an impulse, you're gonna see a correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, kanjalo kanjalo. So as you can see, the market gave us like an impulse, right, and then corrected to the upper side, and then gave us another impulse, right? So let me show you how you indicate. So when the market when the market is on a bullish market, or when the market is going up, it creates something we call a higher high and a higher low. As you can see, this is our higher low, right, and then this is our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Yabo. So in those years, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your trend line, right, and then I'm gonna show you on a real chart. So I'm gonna show you how to place them. So you're gonna place your trend line to the weeks, or basically where the market touched and then reversed. You're gonna place your trend lines. Is it vertical ne?
Yeah,
So this thing is vertical order ne?
sure.
because this one is horizontal. So yeah, vertical. So as soon as the market comes back and breaks your trend line, it's gonna come back for a retest and then it's gonna drop. Okay, there's something that we call a 90-degree, right? A 90-degree, it basically helps you like to indicate where the market is gonna go next. It's more um like it's a thing of the market. It's, I don't know how to put this, but then the market is gonna come back to this point. Like eventually it's gonna come back to this point. Every time it corrects, it has to come back to this point. So we call this a 90-degree. So every time you see a pattern, just know the pattern has to complete the 90-degree, right? I hope you do understand me. And then we have a falling wedge. As you can see, this is a flag that is falling and then goes up. Same thing, Joe. Right? If you're gonna have an impulse, you're gonna have a correction, and then impulse, correction, something like that. So yeah, as you can see, we had an impulse and then a correction. Now we're having another impulse, but every time the market breaks the trend line, it has to come back for a retest and then it has to push up, right? Oh, and another thing, and every time the market before it breaks like the trend line, usually it's gonna give you some sort of a pattern. It's gonna give you something like a double top pattern, double bottom pattern, head and shoulder, whatever. Yeah, but usually it's gonna give you like a double top or a double bottom, right? So njengoba soyibukelile leya video leyana, so here's the thing. Now you cover ukuthi the market has to come back here and complete the 90-degree. So I knew ukuthi as soon as I saw this, the market's gonna break and then retest and then push up. So I knew ukuthi I was focusing on sales, right? So there's really not a lot to do on our daily time frame, but I have to indicate ukuthi we have a very, very sensitive area right here, because the market gave us multiple touches. See, it came here, touch, so it might come back here and touch and then go back, and then you see. So go to my 4-hour. As soon as I was, it's like I'm done on my daily, so I went to my 4-hour time frame. Okay, so what I saw on our daily time frame we have like a double top pattern. Let me show you. And you know what is a double top pattern? Double top pattern is a pattern that indicates a bearish reversal, so from an uptrend to a downtrend. So as you can see, this is our first top, this one, and our second top. So our second top, see, you saw a double top. So I knew ukuthi double top, now I need to enter. Okay, what? Went to my 4-hour time frame. Let me remove this thing. Hey baba. Okay, let's minimize it. So as soon as I got to my 4-hour time frame, the market was here, I think. Yeah, as you can see, the market gave us a little bit of a resistant area, right? Is it a resistant or a support? I think it's a resistant. Yeah, I think this area is resistant, and you know very well you can't buy on a resistance. So as soon as the market touches here, I entered my sales. And then my TP currently here, and my stop loss was above this zone. But obviously, Azang, I didn't enter my trade on 4 hours, so I needed more confirmation. So I went to my 1 hour, which is 60-minute time frame. And then when I got here, but okay. As soon as I figure out 1 hour, I saw that I have a minor pattern, which was this one. It was something like this one. Yeah. I had this minor pattern. Let me change the color so that you can see Uguti. This is a minor pattern, right? I had this minor pattern. Let me clone around this thing. As you can see, as soon as the market touched here, I entered my trades, and then this is how I actually killed USD, Euro USD, and then also on Usdcad. Let me go to Usdcad real quick. Because the camera is actually low. So on Usdcad, I saw a buy. Actually, I saw a buy. As you can we start on our weekly time frame. This was my lowest of the day and my high of the day, as you can see on the weekly time frame. So as soon as I get these two zones, I went to my daily time frame. And then on my daily time frame, I saw we have another sensitive area. Yeah. Every time the market touches this area, it reacts or it rejects. As you can see, it came up and touched and then went down, went down, and then it gave us a breakout. Here's the thing, it gave us a breakout and came back for a retest. This is a clear, this is a clear buy, dog. As you can see, this thing broke out and came for a rejection, boy. I mean a retest, and then as soon as it touched this level, it just went back up. This was your sign to buy, boy. But okay, we're gonna go to I'm gonna explain more further so that you can booty. This was my my pattern, right, which is a falling wedge pattern, basically a bullish reversal pattern, right? As soon as I saw this pattern and then I saw a double bottom, as you can see, this is our first bottom. It came back, it came here and then rejected, went up and came back here and gave us a reject. This is our double bottom. This is a clear indication that we are buying, boy. We are buying. This is really a strong buy. If you're gonna watch this video today, you might be able to catch a buy tomorrow and catch a buy maybe Monday. I don't know about NFP, but I'm gonna make a video. Maybe I'm gonna make a video to see which direction NFP is gonna buy to. On my 4-hour time frame, I saw Uguti the market gave us a fake out. This was a fake breakout. It took too many people. So imagine Now you are trading, and then the market breaks this trend, and then you enter your trades. When you enter your trades, the market comes back down, thinking that the market has to go back up. So there was actually a pattern right here. This was our pattern that clearly indicated a reversal. So I wasn't caught in this trap. I knew which the market is gonna reverse, and I actually took those sales. And then I ate. But yeah.
It's chai, dog.
Chai. Come in. What's up?
Still rolling.
Well, my white is chai. Okay, things are fast, boy. So as you can see, we had this minor pattern. We had this minor pattern, right? Minor pattern. As soon as I saw this thing broke out, I entered my buys. I'm gonna show you the clips. I entered my buys. My TP is here. Here's my first TP. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and yeah. Danke.
It is what it is.